Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect blog post or agonizing over that one catchy Instagram caption? Trust me, I've been there. Those late nights spent typing, deleting, and retyping can seriously drain your creative energy. But here's the good news. AI can do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your creative vision and actually enjoy the process of content creation. Forget the myth that AI replaces human creativity. The real secret? AI enhances your voice, making content creation faster, smarter, and honestly, way more fun. Let's get real for a second. Between blog posts, tweets, Instagram reels, video scripts, and emails, content burnout is a daily reality for most creators, especially if you're flying solo or working with a tiny team. But here's the thing. Smart creators are turning to AI, not as a replacement, but as a creative partner to keep up with the never-ending content grind. So, what are the top AI tools I use and recommend to make content in minutes, not hours? First up, ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. These tools are absolute lifesavers when it comes to getting started. Whether you need a blog intro, a catchy headline, or just want to break through writer's block, just type in a prompt like "write a blog on eco-friendly travel" and watch the ideas flow. Links for both are below. Next, Copy.ai or Jasper. These are my go-tos for punchy captions, product descriptions, or ad copy. The tone-matching AI can generate multiple high-converting versions in seconds, so you always have fresh options to choose from. And if you want to combine stunning visuals with smart copy, Canva's Magic Write is a total game-changer for social posts like carousels or infographics. It lets you pair AI-generated text with beautiful designs, making your content pop on any platform. Wondering how to put it all together? Here's my simple 3-step workflow to go from idea to publish in under 10 minutes. Step 1: Plan. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and outline your topic ideas. Step 2: Draft. Plug your ideas into Copy.ai to generate engaging captions or post copy. Step 3: Design. Drop everything into Canva, pair it with an eye-catching visual, and you're ready to post. For blogs, I just asked ChatGPT to expand my post to about 600-800 words with subheadings, and I've got a draft that's basically ready to publish. But here's the most important part. AI gives you the draft, but your unique voice makes it real. Always take a moment to edit for tone, add your own stories, and make sure everything aligns with your message and audience. So, if you're tired of scrambling to keep up with content demands, or just want to spend more time on what you love, let AI free you up to create more, with less effort. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. Try them out, and let me know in the comments how you're using AI in your workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow creator. This is the Technocrat signing off for now. See you in the next video.